Hello, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see by the title, we have a huge Temu clothing try on haul. I was very skeptical about Temu. I wasn't even going to, indulge. I got. So I saw one of my homegirls in this skirt and she looked so good in it. I was like, oh my god, where's the skirt from? She said Temu, so I was like, you know what? Okay, Temu. Pretty sure the video might be a little lengthy, so let's get on into it. We have 21 items here. I'm not gonna style them. Y'all will have to stay tuned for future videos, shorts, TikToks, Instagrams, stuff like that to see the looks put together. Today we're just gonna try the clothes on. Altogether they were $190. Well, that's rounded up. It wasn't exactly $190. So I ordered these on June 22nd and they were delivered to my doorstep on June 29th. I will link every piece below if it is still available for easy access for y'all, but let's go ahead and get on into it. First thing I'm gonna grab out this bag is these shoes. First of all, y'all know me. If you know, you know. I keep my shoes in their boxes. That's just how I am. But look at this box. I don't like how it was sent to me. It is raggedy and beat up. So will I keep these in this toe-up box? I don't know, but first impressions, I ain't feeling it. So I actually saw these on Facebook before I ordered them on Temu, and I was like, these are fire, but I didn't have any chances on buying them. But I got them because I found them. So they are denim platform sandals. Super cute. And I don't know, but I could just tell on the model that they ran small. How I knew that, I don't know. So I did get a 9. They are actually, yes, a true denim pattern. This is actually look like they sold on a pair of jeans on these. This is what I was going for. Super different, cute, and I love platforms. So love those. I can't wait to put some looks together with them. Next one is this shirt I have on actually. I'm gonna get that out the way. Of course, I'm gonna give y'all a close up. It's the sleeveless crop top. What does this say on here? Brooklyn original vintage, wild and free since 1963, New York. Okay, bunch of random stuff. It was cute on the model. I like this detail on the side. It's not the material I thought. I like cotton shirts. I hate jersey material unless it's a jersey. It's okay. Not exactly what I expected, but not bad either. Next item, y'all. I was looking for a denim purse to match my denim sandals. Okay, it only makes sense, and I love a good shoe bag combo. So I got this one. Y'all, it's cute. It's giving vintage vibes, you know what I'm saying? But it ain't denim. Okay, it's not denim material. That's what I wanted. This is a leather bag with a denim print on it. Okay, so they did a good job with making it look like denim, but I wanted actual denim. So am I satisfied? No. But am I completely mad at it? Not really. Next one, I got another shirt. Simple white crop top. Y'all know me and my crop tops. My body, not yours, period. This was $4.89. Super simple. I love how it fits. Super comfortable, but it is so see-through. And y'all know me, I don't like to wear a bra, but I also don't want the girls showing. So, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out, but I do like it. Next one, I was looking for a lot of stuff to match with orange because I have a pair of orange sandals from Target that I haven't been able to wear quite a bit because I don't have a lot of orange. So I got this knit top. This was $4.38. I think it's like this. Probably, or maybe like this. Yeah, that's what it is. Like that. Also completely see-through, like the material. So I don't know if I'll be able to try this on camera. We'll see. This is also not the orange that I was going for. The color is off from what I saw on the website. I literally just spent 20 minutes trying to work how to put this shirt on. It's a no. Like, it should not take 40 minutes to try to put on a shirt. That means it's too complicated. Come on now. I'm just assuming this is the neck. I don't even know. And it don't connect or nothing. So I'm just supposed to put this, have my titties all out, huh? I'm thinking, boom. Even if it did go like this would barely be covering your nipples. Like, oh my God. Maybe swing it around here. Do one of these numbers. But see, like, It's already hard to just put the dang on string through the shirt. And this is ugly. No, no. These two tops are small. Next one, this is a maxi dress. It is a beige kind of color, like a stone actually. This was $8 as well. Oh God, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Just oh my gosh. It looked really, really good on the model, so hopefully I'm satisfied. It does have a little detail on the front. The material is not bad, but we will see. This dress is not bad, but it's like nothing special at the same time. I don't know, it's loose in certain areas. I'm really not feeling the front. I don't know, it's not giving. Next, I got another maxi dress. It had some orange in it, so I just put it in my cart. It's got spaghetti straps, and it is a deep V in the back, so that's a little different from any maxi dress I have in my closet currently. The design is kind of like some kind of abstract design going on. Material is very cheap. This was $8. We will see how this fits. And the orange again is not as bright as it is in the picture, so color is off yet again. These two dresses are both small. Next, I got a romper in this brown color. I don't know what it is with me and brown lately. This was $6.97. Jersey material yet again. This is a small, but it feels like it's going to be big. Like I can just see it's giving oversized romper. Who wants an oversized romper? Oh God. We'll see, y'all. My gosh. Don't like the material though. Next, I got another crop top, newspaper print. This was $3.98. Jersey material yet again. Not bad, straight to the point. It says newspaper print, but this ain't really newspaper. Like, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not even real words on the shirt. Like, it's literally just random letters all strewn together. Oh my gosh. Anyway, people ain't gonna be reading it, right? Hopefully, or whatever. This is not bad, but it's just, I feel like it's kind of loose. Like, I want my crop tops to be, you know what I'm saying, fitted. I don't know, it's just too loose for me. So this one's okay, but not impressed. What is this? Oh, it's a long sleeve marble print crop top, small again. This was $6.68. I can tell already this is extremely see-through, but it does have some padding in the bra. Whose boobs are this small? Like, oh my God. And this string is weird, because how is that even gonna work out? I didn't even see the string on the model. Oh God. We will see, but it is sheer mesh material. It's too much. It's too skimpy. Like, if I had one more scoop of titty, I would literally be flashing y'all right now. Like, this is way too much. Not enough coverage right here. And then I think this is supposed to come down a lot more, but I got a big back. You know what I'm saying? So I know that ain't supposed to look that way. I don't know, it's too much. I like the idea of it, but it's a no for me. I will pass, but it is cute. I liked, you know what I'm saying, what I was going for with the brown on brown, you know, but no. Oh God, this ain't looking too good, y'all. What is this? Oh yeah, I got another romper. This is the black one. Shorts again, spaghetti straps, size small, very simple, straight to the point. This was $5.79. Next, I got an orange jumpsuit. The color is what I expected. The material is not, of course. I'm just gonna prepare myself to just not have any material that I expect in the rest of the fall. But it's hard to see right now, but the straps, they go regular up here and then cross into an X in the back. And then it's got scrunch detail at the bottom. Super wrinkled, so keep that in mind. I literally just got this out of the bag, so it will be super wrinkled when I try it on. That was $14.27, size small. This jumpsuit has pissed me off on all type of levels. Y'all, oh my gosh. Y'all not gonna be able to see my face. This looks fine, right? Do this look like the back or the front? Because I'm thinking this is the back. Okay, but look at the pockets. Why are they going this way? What the hell? This got to be the back. This has to be the front. Like, this has to be. But then what the hell do you do with these straps? Oh my God, never again. Never, ever, ever again. Ever. Like, oh my God. This can't be backwards. Like, I refuse to believe this is backwards. Child, the pocket's supposed to be like this. Oh my gosh. Never again. Next, I got another maxi dress. This one has striped detail. It was really, really cute on the model, and it has pockets, y'all. Jersey material yet again, and I got this color for the orange, so I do like that. Super cute. Can't wait to wear that if it looks right. Next, I got, oh, this is a pair of jeans. Their jeans come in even size numbers. These were $15.38. They're size 6. They have a very chemical smell on them. I don't know why, but they are an oversized mom jean, so we will see how those fit. But they're not long enough at all. They're high waters. Right now, it's a no. This is why I only get my jeans from Fashion Nova, because they understand me. Next, y'all, I got another pair of sandals. If y'all know, I love my glass slippers from Fashion Nova because they're transparent. So when I'm struggling to find a heel to match my outfit, I just wear those. So that's kind of what I was going for with these sandals. They're size 8.5. On the model, I thought this design around the foot was like thread, but it's not thread. It's like little pieces of metal. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just not what I expected. But I'm pretty sure they'll serve their purpose because they're transparent. So if I'm struggling to find something to wear with one of these maxi dresses or one of these rompers or something, I can just throw these on. That's the purpose I bought them for. They were $8.09. This is a pair of denim shorts. Y'all know I've been on the hunt for more denim shorts. I only have one pair and I wear them with everything, so I was getting sick of those. Hopefully these fit okay. These were $8.99 and they're size small. Super stretchy, have distressing detail and the raw hem at the bottom. Hopefully they fit right. Again, they have that real chemical like smell coming off of them. Next one, I got this maxi skirt that I was talking about in the intro. I saw my homegirl wearing. She had it in like a, it looked like a beige or stone color in the picture, but it probably is this gray one that she had. I'm not sure. But it's got this detail in the front, and then there's a slit. I got it in a size small. Not sure what's going on in the back here. Looks kind of funny how that's sitting there. It's $9.39. I got it in gray, and then I got it in this brown, and that is the last piece. I actually got that marble long sleeve mesh crop top to match this brown skirt. So same exact thing as the gray one, just in brown. Again, this little thing in the back. I'm not sure if that's supposed to do that or what, but we will see. I'm looking most forward to these skirts. That's really the purpose I went on Temu. 21 items. After I try everything on, I will come right back at the end with my overall thoughts on my experience with Temu.
One eternity later.
Jumpsuit did it for me. No. Oh my God. I spent another 15 minutes, turned it around, and the pockets were still going backwards. Like, oh my God. No. No. I'm pretty sure if I try to refund, it's gonna take forever to get my money back, or they're gonna try to give me store credit, Temu credit. I'm not buying another thing from y'all. No. Got me messed up. I don't recommend Temu. No. Well, I've calmed down. Sort of. All the stuff is back here, but I'm not feeling it, y'all. I will not be buying from them again unless it's just a one-off item that I feel like I need, like those skirts. But it's not worth it. I feel like my first try-on haul with them should have been a lot smaller, but whatever. It is what it is. But I hope y'all enjoyed the try-on haul though. Comment if you want. Like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though, and I will see y'all in the next one.